Okay guys, let's do the following question together. Find the value of the integral of this function dz dy dx. 0 is the lower limit of z, x plus y is the upper limit of z. 0 is the lower limit of y, 1 minus x is the upper limit of y. 0 is the lower limit of x, 1 is the upper limit of x. So what are we going to do? We are going to integrate this with respect to z. I explained how to integrate an exponential function in the previous video. This is integral from 0 up to 1, 0 up to 1 minus x. If you integrate this, this is e to the power z from 0 up to x plus y dy dz. This is from 0 up to 1, from 0 up to 1 minus x. Substitute. This is e to the power x plus y minus e to the power 0 dy dz. Integral from 0 up to 1, 0 up to 1 minus x. This is e to the power x plus y subtract 1 dy dz. Let's integrate this with respect to y. From 0 up to 1, this is e to the power x plus y minus y from 0 up to 1 minus x dz. Okay, let's substitute the integral from 0 up to 1, e to the power x plus 1 minus x minus 1 minus x. Okay, minus e to the power x subtract 0 dz. Okay, let's simplify. This is the integral from 0 up to 1. This is x plus 1 subtract x. So this is e to the power 1, e to the power 1 minus 1 plus x. It's minus 1 plus x. Then minus e to the power x. Okay, let's integrate this with respect to x. This is e minus 1 into x. Remember, e subtract 1 is a constant. So if you integrate this constant with respect to x, it becomes e subtract 1 into x plus x squared by 2 subtract e to the power x. Okay, from 0 up to 1. Substitute. This is e subtract 1 plus 1 by 2 subtract e to the power 1. Okay, minus 0, 0. So it's minus e to the power 0. This becomes e subtract 1 plus half minus e, the negative and negative positive 1. Okay, e minus e is 0. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So the answer is half. Half is the final